everybody again. Today I'm going to show you how to download the Zoom client and get started with your Zoom Pro account. So the first thing you want to do is go to your web browser. That could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or some other preferred browser. I'm going to use Chrome at this time. Next is you are going to want to navigate to zoom.us or zoom.us. Once you get to that page, over here where it says resources in the top right hand side, you're going to want to click download Zoom client. It'll show the latest version here, and you'll want Zoom client for meetings. Click download for that. And depending on your web browser, the download location is going to vary. But as you can see, I have it here in the bottom left hand side. I'm just going to hit the executable. And your Zoom installer is going to start. You don't need any admin access in order to install this. So if you're part of an organization, you should be able to install this without having to get your tech department involved. And from there, you'll just want to sign in, and you'll want to use your credentials for your organization that they set up for you. Generally, they send you an email if you have a pro account. And from that email, you will then finish the setup of your account, and you'll have your information to sign in right here. If you do not have an organization that you want to sign up with, you can use the free version and sign up using that as well. That's it for getting the Zoom client. Thank you very much. And if you have any questions, please post them down in the comments.